I'm trying to bring more healthy lunches to work, so I made a quinoa Caesar salad from the vegan bundle. It's back for a second and last time, and this time they were able to add 30 new ebooks because the first edition was so popular. So check out the link in my description below, and if you have any questions, just let me know.
Hallo.
Hi. Können wir die Mitarbeiter auch nochmal gleich machen? Wenn das nicht funktioniert, dann haben wir halt, der Essen ist warm, wa?
Ja.
Kriegst du nachher nochmal warm?
Ja.
Das ist halt einfach ja, voll abhängig davon, so ein bisschen.
Co mam zrobić? Nie wiedziałam, co mam zrobić. Nie wiedziałam, co mam zrobić. Co mam zrobić z nim? Nie wiedziałam, co mam zrobić. Nie wiedziałam, co mam zrobić. Nie wiedziałam, co mam zrobić. Co mam zrobić z nim?
Tellement dur de trouver des grosses patates en Allemagne pour un pays qui aime autant les kartoffeln. Bonjour! Allô! Allô, mon amour! Allez, toi, vite! Come! Vite! Allô! Allô! Tu nous as fait une petite collation.
So it's almost 7 o'clock now, so we're ready to make dinner. We are having poutine tonight. It's a Quebec dish, so I'm from Quebec, as you probably know. It's basically fries, cheese curds, and gravy. But it's not actual gravy, there's just no word for it, but it's like a brown sauce. I'm gonna show you how I make it. Even though I now live in Germany, I still make poutine regularly because I love it. I am making oven-baked fries. They are currently soaking in water. It will help them crisp up. First I'm gonna put the fries in the oven because they take longer, and then I'm gonna make everything else, and I will of course show you.
I did it all for the sausage. Okay, on en met juste une.
Un petit peu.
So I'm gonna try it for you. Trying to get a little bit of everything. It's so good. It's as good, if not better, than a poutine that you would get in a restaurant. And you can customize it with everything you like, so that's great. I love the mix of the tofu cheese and like the sausage. It's just really delicious, and that's it. So I really hope that you liked the vlog, that you got inspired. So I'm gonna go eat and edit this vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me. And also don't forget to check out the ebook bundle, because it is only until Friday. There will not be a third time. We only did it a second time because people were so sad that they missed out. As I explained earlier, they were able to add an extra 30 ebooks, and if you bought the bundle already, you have access to all those new ebooks. Seriously, there are over 3,000 recipes, workouts, so many info on nutrition, really everything you need. So if you have any question regarding the bundle or regarding what I ate today, or any question at all, just let me know in the comments below or hit me up on social media, and I will be super happy to help you. And thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely rest of the day.